I'm going to show you one of my favorite get ready routines in just a few minutes. This is my Laura Geller routine. I have 3 favorite products I'm going to share with you today and how to get ready quick and have all that you need in these 3 simple products. First, I have this wonderful Laura Geller overall marbleized powder. Now this is a protective, great baked in brighten foundation. Now what I love about Laura Geller products is they're geared for older ladies and they have this marbleizing look to their products with the powder foundation. Now what is so great about that is our face is full of different tints and colors, and this product provides an overall combination of similar contrasting colors that I would typically have on my skin. So I start with a basic brush on of the selection that I've chosen that best matches my skin. There are so many different choices in the coloring. There is one for everyone, and they're very good for skin. No problems with all of the bad stuff that comes in some skincare products. Now, they have awesome makeup kits. Now, I love these 2 kits. This is why I buy the kits, because I get so many things in one. Now, look at what you have here. This is Laura Geller's RSVP Ready Full Face Palette. Now, it has so many great things in here. It is well loved, as you can see. I have used it a lot. It has highlighters, bronzers. It has concealers. It has these little protective sheets that I keep in place because they do protect and keep the products from blending together. They have setting powder, blush, and bronzers, as well as a lot of great eyeshadows and a mirror, which I use all the time, as you can see, because it looks very well loved. Now, this is one I got even more recently. This is called the Best of the Best, the Baked Full Face Basics. Now, it comes with that product that I was telling you about, the brightened and baked built in. Now this one, I selected a different shade so I can use different contrasting depending on what I'm doing that day. And look at the fun pieces in here. You have your baked body frosting with a titanium gold. It gives it a little shimmer, which I like, and I can use a different shade or a combination of the 2 shades together. And I have a highlighter in French Vanilla and a baked highlighter in Portofino. How fun is that? And this beautiful blush, also with the baked and brightened combination of colors, which is pink buttercream. So nice. And 3 kind of eyeshadows with a little bit of glimmer. I love these. This is oyster, sandstone, and almond. Now watch out how I use my favorites from each of these, and the combinations are endless. So I've started with that basic powder, baked and brightened foundation, and now I'm going to pick a highlighter from this basic RSVP set. I'm going to use the cream highlighter. I'm going to put it under my eyes, give myself a little illumination in an area where I typically hold shadows because of my round cheeks, and I also like it in trouble spots where I cast shadows. And I have a couple of discoloration spots that just don't seem to go away, so I'm going to put a spot or 2 on those, and then I'm going to select from here. One of my favorite things is the setting powder. Give that a little set with a big brush, some blush. I can choose from here, or I can choose this very shimmery blush from this other set that I was telling you about. This is the Best of the Best. Now, I like that because it has a little bit of glimmer in it, depending on what I'm doing that day. Now, I'm going to use this foundation bronzer in the areas that I'd like to look a little slimmer and contoured. And then I'm going to go over to this other set, and I'm going to pick from here for a little fun eyeshadow. And for, I love these creamers. Now, I'm going to pick a little bit of this medium eyeshadow and stroke it in the center part of my eyes. And this deep, deep brown is really pretty for giving that warm, smoky glow. I really like that. Above the brow line, taking some of that deep color, bringing it up and away from my lids because my eyes are very dark, and it just brings that color out and makes my eyes look a little taller and brighter. I really like that. And then the last color here, as you can see, is this beautiful oyster with a little shimmer. I take that little oyster and put it up right under my brow line. Now, if I need a little color on my brows because they're fading a little, I go to my eyeshadow palette, just grab a little color that looks similar to my hair and brush it on, just to give my face a little bit of balance with my hair color and my eyebrows. Now, that is all that I have to do, but sometimes I like to add a little extra, some of these fun colors like this little magenta, put it in the corners, and there you have it. My beautiful, beautiful combination of all of my makeup all in one fail swoop with my Laura Geller products. I highly recommend this great brand. The combinations are endless, and as you can see, mine are well loved. I really like them, and I think you'll love them too. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and follow us. We'll have more videos like this, as well as some other products by Laura Geller.